I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing soft dough with the listed flours and water until pliable. You want a consistency like Play-Doh so shapes hold. Once mixed, oil the Murukku maker plate and assemble the star disc. This ensures the traditional ridged texture. Make sure to press small test patties to check dough flow, then load the hopper fully and twist the screw cap tight. You are now ready to form the first coils directly into hot oil or on a tray for baking. Once you have the machine loaded, position it close to the oil and press with even pressure while rotating your wrist to form continuous coils. This controls thickness and prevents breaks. Heat the oil to about 170–180 degrees so the outer ridges crisp before the inside cooks. A steady medium-high flame maintains that range. Make sure to slide each coil into oil carefully and fry 2–3 at a time so oil temperature doesn't drop. You finish by lifting each Murukku on a slotted spoon and letting excess oil drip back before resting them on paper towels. You need them fully cool before storing because cooling sets the crispness. Once at room temperature, transfer to an airtight jar to keep moisture out. If you find Murukku soft later, refry briefly at a lower 160 degrees or pop them in a 160 degrees oven for 5–7 minutes. This revives crunch without burning. For splitting issues, reduce water in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.